DJI is just hours away from officially unveiling the second generation Osmo 360, and this launch is happening at a very interesting time. Insta360 has just introduced the X6, while DJI is preparing to reveal its own new 360 camera almost immediately after. That means we could be looking at one of the most important 360 camera battles of the year. The DJI Osmo 362 is scheduled to launch on August 13th at 8 p.m. Beijing time, which translates to 8 a.m. Eastern Time and 5 a.m. Pacific Time. And even though DJI hasn't revealed everything yet, leaked hardware, FCC documents, and early unboxing material have already given us a pretty good idea of what to expect. Starting with the design, don't expect a massive visual transformation. The Osmo 362 appears to keep the same basic body shape and overall layout as the original. And honestly, that's not necessarily a bad thing. If the design already works, DJI doesn't need to completely reinvent it. The bigger changes seem to be happening under the hood. One of the most interesting upgrades is the battery. FCC documentation and leaked material point toward a 2,150 milliamp hour battery, which is roughly a 10% increase in capacity. Of course, a larger battery doesn't automatically mean 10% longer recording time, especially if DJI is using more processing power for higher performance video modes. And that's where another major upgrade could come in: 8K at 60 frames per second. The original Osmo 360 already supports 8K recording at up to 50 frames per second, so 8K 60 isn't a revolutionary jump, but it could still make a noticeable difference for smoother motion, fast-moving subjects, and action-heavy 360 footage. However, the upgrade that might matter even more for everyday users is replaceable lenses. Leaked replacement lens packaging has already appeared, strongly suggesting that DJI could finally allow users to replace damaged lenses instead of treating lens damage as a potentially expensive problem. The original Osmo 360 didn't offer user replaceable lenses, so this could be one of the most practical improvements in the entire camera. The Osmo 362 is also expected to feature NFC. Recent hardware information suggests it could be used for easier pairing, although we still don't know exactly how DJI plans to implement it. Connectivity should also remain strong, with FCC testing pointing toward Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth support. Then we have the imaging hardware. This is still one area where we need to be careful. Current information suggests DJI may continue using a similar 1.1-inch class square sensor approach, rather than making a huge sensor upgrade. If that's accurate, the biggest improvements could come from processing, software, and optimization rather than a completely new imaging system. There are also rumors of additional video modes, raw photography, and higher resolution features, but I wouldn't treat those as confirmed just yet. And finally, there's the price. Current estimates suggest a base price somewhere around $499 to $549, with bundles potentially costing more. But until DJI officially announces the pricing, these numbers should be treated as leaks, not confirmed information. What makes this launch even more exciting is the timing. Insta360 X6 and DJI Osmo 362 are arriving within roughly 24 hours of each other. So DJI doesn't appear to be completely reinventing the Osmo 360. Instead, it looks like the company is taking an already capable camera, fixing some of its biggest weaknesses, and pushing performance a little further. But the real question is simple: will those upgrades be enough to beat the new Insta360 X6? We'll finally have the answer once DJI officially reveals everything.